Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we'll be taking a close look at Disney and Pixar Cars Core Diecast Assortment Case B of 2026 cars. These are now made in China, so there is a majority of new variations in here, which I will be taking a close look at in a future video. But yeah, I got this case from Get Me Collectibles. Go check his eBay store out, or email him if you want one of these cases. This comes with the entire case of 24 cars, and there are some pretty good ones in here, at least for, new variations. So yeah, let's get straight into it now. And ooh, this is cool. This is really cool. So yeah, I guess without further ado, let's start by taking out Radiator Springs, Lightning McQueen. So yeah, there is two of this guy in the case. You can see the other cars on the back here, and yes, this is all US cards, so making it rarer for me. And yep, here is the second one. There is two of those guys in the case. There is also a Top Marcus in the case, which I have already reviewed on the channel, so you can check that out in the top right hand corner. You can see them other cars there, really interesting. Brad Windmiller, which is actually a car that I've never ever reviewed on the channel or even opened up. Yep, this is a new Chinese variant here. You can see the other cars on the back, which is really interesting. We have Transforming Lightning McQueen. Again, a really cool one. Sadly, he still doesn't have the Rusty's logo on the back. But yep, there is the package. Really cool. You can see some other cars on the back, which is mainly Case A highlights. We got Sally here, which is now the updated Sally mold, as we can see. If you take a close look at her there, you can see that really cool. And obviously some other Case A highlights as well. There is two The King strip weathers in this case, which is actually a new Chinese variant. When I do my highlight video of Case B, which will be probably later this week, it really just does depend. You guys can check out that video of him. There will be certain ones I will be doing separate reviews on. Yep, there is the back of the card, and just to show you guys, there is two of him in the case. Yep, one of these guys will be opened up, obviously. The main highlight is Richie Gunzet, which is this car right here, the Cars 3 character. Wasn't released until like late 2019 in Blue Desert, I believe, in a 2-pack and also a single. So that is really cool. You can see some other cars there on the back. Smokey, Cruise. Majority of these are in the case, so we'll get to those in just a few seconds here. We have one of two Maters in the case. Again, nothing too interesting. You can see here the back of the package. Again, Case A highlights. If I can find the other Mater, which is somewhere here. Oh, there he is. There's the other Mater. So yeah, obviously he uses his Cars 2 artwork. So yeah, there is that. There is also, oh yeah, Danica Cruz in this case. Obviously she's now reverted back to her non-metallic decals, although this one looks really smooth. I will definitely be doing a video on her, maybe a separate review rather than a highlight review, because there'll be some that need a separate review. But yeah, there she is. There is the back. You can see the cars there. Dexter Hoover with checker flag. Again, really cool re-release. Obviously, there's checker flag. I believe he has a slightly different expression. Can't be 100% sure on that though. There is some other cars on the back of the package. We got the rare super, I don't know, piece of card, which apparently is rare. I don't really know. Here we have World Grand Prix Lightning McQueen. Yes, there is two of him in the case. Obviously, he won't be included in Case B highlights, as he is a Case A carryover. There is two of him in the case. As we can see, here's the other one right here, Case A. So yeah, there is some Race and Rescue cars, such as Race and Rescue Red. Obviously, this doesn't have the new for 2025 logo there in the right hand corner. Obviously, he was in Case A, so he's not really a highlight. You can see the other cars on the back. Cruz, Lightning McQueen, Luigi and Guido, Chick, and Jackson Storm. Made in China, just to confirm for you guys. Here we have Hot Rod Smokey, which is incorrectly labelled as Heyday Smokey. Mattel, how can you mess up this badly? It's just like, Really? I mean, I just give up with Mattel at this point. He will be in the Case B highlights video because he doesn't really deserve a full review. So, yep, there is the other cars on the back. Another one that will be in the Case B highlights is Fabulous Hudson Hornet when I get round to showing him off. There he is. Dirt Truck Fabulous Hudson Hornet. And another way you can tell this is 2026 card by the front is the Mattel logo is now updated. You can see there again, there is the back. Cars 3 character. A new card to this case is Racing Rescue Sarge, which I have already done a video on him literally yesterday at the time of this video going up, so you can check that out in the top right hand corner of the Made in Thailand and Made in China Racing Rescue cars. So yep, there is Sarge, and here is a look at the back. Obviously red has been flipped out and Chick Kicks is where red is, and yeah, you can see the back there and some other cars and some information as well if you are interested. I apologise for that cut there, guys. Yeah, I didn't want to choke. So yeah, where was we? Yes, the case contents. So yeah, next up in this case is the Fabulous Lightning McQueen. This is obviously a new China variant. He is actually slightly different compared to his previous Thailand release with a lighter paint job, I believe. Yep, the artwork is the same, so he will be in the Case B highlights content, as I don't really think he deserves a video. But yep, there is that guy. We can see the back of the, packaging here with all the other cars in this case, except for Speedy Comet. There is also Francesco Bernoulli in the case, his first time being released on this packaging, I believe. His last release was in 2023 with a white box. And he is actually a new variant. He has the black outlining around his eyes here, or his helmet. His teeth are now finally painted in. So this one will be getting his own separate review on my channel sometime later this week, probably after the Jim Reverick 2-pack. Yep, there is that guy. You can see the back. It just shows the World Grand Prix Lightning McQueen, or the Lightning McQueen with racing wheels, and Francesco, which is the same primary image as previous. So there is that guy. There is also Marlon Clutches McKay, which is his first time on this packaging. He was last released in 2022, and he is actually a new variant as well. He's now got blue headlights here, as you can see. Whereas previously he had those coloured headlights. So yep, he will be also in the Case B highlights as a new variant. I'll quickly go through him in the video. He's a Cars 1 release character. Brad, Hall, Ralph, Todd, Dexter and the King on the back. You can see Made in China. Really, really cool. And speaking of Hall, here is Hallingas. I have already reviewed him, so you can check him out in the top right hand corner as well. There we go. There's the artwork, the die cast here. Made in China. There is the back. Obviously just a few Case A contents, and obviously a few Case B contents as well. Made in China. And lastly but not least is another one that will probably get his own separate review, because he is Ralph Carlo. Piston Cup Racer reviews always do really, really well on YouTube, so stay tuned for that video coming out probably just before December. Yep, you can see here he was released in 2022 from Thailand in the white box, and this is his first time being released with the red box. So yeah, and he is very, very light for some reason. I have no idea why, but yeah, there is a look at the back of his packaging with the same cars, Made in China. And yeah, that is the end of this case content. You can see all of the other characters there, with Richie Gunzet is a main highlight, Dexter, Hoover, Brad, the King up there, Todd. So yeah, let me know in the comments below which is your favourite from the case. Obviously, I believe my favourite is probably Francesco, if I have to be completely honest with everyone, just because of the updated eyes. I'll get round to his review probably on Thursday or Friday, so stay tuned for that one. But until the next video, which will be literally tomorrow, and 2026 Case E contents, 2 packs that is. Peace everybody.